Hello, hello, hello. This is the belt loop tutorial I said I was going to do. Okay. Now this is all you get. You get this, and you get this tape, woven tape. Okay. And they don't give you any instructions. I figured this out for myself. Of course, this is the top and this is the top, and you just plug them in here. This is really cheap, but how you hook them up to make them work, if you want to attach, you can just make this a belt. You can make any number of belts you want, and you can just keep adjusting the belt. Or you can attach it to something that you want to put on or wear. But anyway, I'm trying to show you how to do this. Okay, so for this side, woo, hold on there, Nelly. For this side, this is the stable side. This is the solid, unmovable side, because there is only one way to put the strap in. Okay, this is the one that makes adjustments. So on the solid side, making sure you're looking at the top of the item, you want to give yourself about a ½ an inch or so. Hello, I thought Zippy was going to show you how to do it. Give yourself about maybe an inch, okay, length, as much as it takes you to be able to take this over to the sewing machine and sew it. Okay, the other side, you're going to weave it in. I can't, every time I do this, you're going to weave this in up from the bottom. Have I got the bottom? No. Up from the bottom, the top one, okay? And you're going to turn it around. Can you see that? And you're going to put it through this. And this buckle is designed so if you pull on this side, the strap that's going to be around you, it's not supposed to give, but I don't know. It's probably going to, when you pull this way, it doesn't give. But this is the adjustable side. So you leave this on the top, the adjustable side. You don't sew this. You sew this end into something. You know, like I said, this can be a belt just like it is. But if you're going to use it on a project like this, we could attach one end to here and the other end to here, and that will extend the length of your project. See, I'm making the straps, I can make the straps longer, or just to make it more convenient to take on and off, because if you just sew these two together, you've got to take it on and off over your head. But if you put a buckle on it, you can just unbuckle it and take it off. If your cat or your little pet went to sleep, you could just unbuckle it and set him down very gently in his bed. Okay, so there you go. Watch Pet Sling tutorial part 4. It's the final one. I'm going to finish this up and attach this, because that's how I want mine to be done. All right, shalom. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you'll get a notice when I do the part 4. And remember, always, always, always give praise and honor and glory to Yahushua HaMashiach.